The multicolored Asian lady beetle is native to Eastern Asia, but is now common and spreading in Europe and North America. This insect is similar to familiar lady beetles commonly found throughout the United States. It feeds on insect pests in orchards and forests, but may also occur on row crops and in gardens. The lady beetles have 4 distinct life stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. The adult lady beetle begins laying eggs on a host plant in early spring. Eggs hatch in about 3 to 5 days, and larvae begin searching on plants for aphids and other soft-body arthropods on which to feed. The larva will molt 4 times, becoming larger after each molt. Before its last molt, the larva flattens its tail to a chosen surface, effectively gluing itself in place. This immobilizes the larva, which has made no attempt to camouflage itself, making it vulnerable to potential predators. When the immobilized larva feels threatened, it thrashes violently, extending its legs to frighten away any predators. This method seems to be effective at times, but not always. The main diet of a multicolored Asian lady beetle is small, soft pests such as aphids and scale insects, but they're also cannibals. An immobilized larva, pupa, or even an injured adult are all fair game in this bug-eat-bug world.
The aphids get concentrated in a particular spot, and then the lady beetles are there, and when you have that many of that 4th instar life stage, those are the stage that are typically the cannibals. So when there's that many of them feeding, developing, and pupating on one bush or one tree or whatever, then the likelihood of cannibalism increases just because they have a greater chance of encountering each other.
When the larva pupates, it undergoes its 4th and final molt. This transformation is at once beautiful and chilling. The pupa stage lasts about 4.5 days, in which the insect develops further and a shell is formed. When the time is right, the adult lady beetle emerges from the pupal case. These beetles typically live 30 to 90 days, but some individuals have been recorded living as long as 3 years. In the fall, near the time of the killing frosts, the adult beetles seek shelter to spend the winter.